Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Jacksonville local and long distance movers near me. Are you looking for professional moving services in Jacksonville, Arkansas? Look no further than 3 Movers. We are a renowned company with years of experience that provides exceptional services all across the nation, and these services are also available in Jacksonville. We provide speedy and efficient services that are guaranteed to meet all our customers' needs. Our staff are highly skilled and have years of experience. We are determined to provide only the best for our customers and putting their minds to rest during their move. A long-distance move can be stressful, especially if it is a large-scale move. To take the load off, you may choose to hire professionals to help you out, and that is where the services of 3 Movers come in. Any move that goes beyond 100 miles is considered a long-distance move. Knowing this helps you plan and budget for your move better. Moving can overshadow all the enthusiasm of looking forward to a new place and a fresh start. We aim to alleviate your stress by ensuring the safety of your belongings during the move by providing friendly service. A local move may not disrupt your daily schedule as much as a long-distance one would, but it is still time-consuming and requires a lot of work. Heavy lifting, securing boxes, making your way through a huge city are some of the things that our professional moving services will help you with. Any move that is 100 miles or less is a local move. Knowing this helps you seek the right companies for the right services. Among the many services that we have, 3 Movers will help you with your local moving needs. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.